Mohsin, touch this. Is it soft or rough? Rough. Is it soft or hard? Soft. Is it hard?
Hard.
Yes, this is hard. Okay. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound?
Yes.
Smell this. Is it good smell or bad smell?
Good.
Good smell. Okay. Did you see the blue color? It's blue color or yellow?
Yellow.
What color is it?
Blue.
What color is it? Blue?
Blue.
It's a blue color. And this? Is it yellow or red?
Red.
Red color. Okay. Now, taste this a little bit. Is it sweet or salty?
Salty.
Yeah, it's soft. Mohsin, touch this. It's soft or rough?
Yeah.
And this? Soft.
Soft.
This? Hard.
Hard.
Now smell this. Is it good smell or bad smell?
Good.
Good smell? Okay. Did you see the color? What color is it? What color is it?
Blue.
What color is it?
Red.
And this? Blue.
Blue.
Did you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Okay. Now taste this. Is it sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. Hifsa, touch this. It's rough or soft?
So, yes.
And touch this.
Soft.
It's soft. And this?
Hard.
Hard. Okay. Good job. Now, what color is it? Did you see?
Blue.
And this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now, smell this. Did you smell it?
Yes.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Is it good smell or bad smell?
Good.
Good smell?
Good smell.
Okay. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound?
Yes.
Now taste this. Is it sweet or salty?
Salty.
It's a salty. Nose. This is your nose? What is this? Ear? Ear? Eyes. Where's your eyes? Point out your eyes. Do you have eyes? Do you have two eyes? One, two.
Big bubble ball. Cat. Dish. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Fan. Goat. House.